Yeah, man, blessed my fanatics, my folks all over the world. This one, we're talking about the robbery of the Chinese, them who are going to Jamaica, and the killing of the Chinese, them and all of this. So, big up to all of my Jamaicans, you understand what I mean? No matter which background or heritage they come from, as we know that out of many come one people. And as the rest of them would say, out of one come many. So we just try social by the people them say, boy, you understand, the loss of life what go on is affecting Jamaica and a whole. You understand? So a man can come tell me about, oh yeah, them rob Mr. Chin or whatever. You understand what I mean, yeah? Anybody will get robbed at Jamaica is a Jamaican. You understand what I'm saying? Me myself not a robber. Me is a man, me walk. You understand? Me work. You understand? Just like our great ancestor Nanny of the Maroon them. You understand? Paul Bogle them. The whole of them are worker. You understand? Just like my mother, my brother. The whole of we work. You understand what I mean, yeah? You know? We work, try and earn honest day bread. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah? We don't try and go out there and try and trample down the society and expect that boy, society come like say, oh me. And our philosophy always been by the sweat of my brow, so shall I eat. If me not sweat by my brow, me not expect for them. You understand what I mean? Yeah, so some man expect for them and sweat by them brow. In an honest and positive way we can enhance and help them community without repercussion to them and them family. But in any case, my people, we not endorse no foolish talk. Like what the people would have said, oh, so why them not rob Mr. Chin? Hear me, man. Anybody where they're Jamaica right now, where the business, it good for the place. Just understand the business good for the place. If anything go wrong, be it Chinese, Spanish, Italian, anybody